Welcome back friends, this is Current Affairs Funda and today we will discuss the important topic that is partnership part 2 here. Okay, so this is Current Affairs Funda and we are going to discuss the important questions of partnership part 2. So basically guys, those students who are preparing for the SSC, CGL as well railway exams plus LIC AAO or any government exams. So as per the government exams concern, this topic is really very important. Okay, that's why I am covering this topic in two parts. Basically in part 1 that I have covered few more types problems. Okay, so this is part 2 and in the part 1 I have covered basically some few problems here, and in part 2 I'll discuss some tougher problems here, different types. Okay, so let's go. So guys, before going to our main lecture, first of all I would like to inform you about our channel. Basically we are delivering free education for all of you. Spread the word among your friends and share for all those people who cannot afford the coaching classes, and you know learning is priceless, so please do at least. If you want any specific topic video, then please do comment on our Facebook channel, that is facebook.com/currentaffairsfunda. okay, so this is our Facebook channel. Now let's move for the question number 1. See, A began a business with rupees 85,000. He was joined afterwards by B with 42,500 rupees. For how much period does B join if the profit at the end of 1 year are divided in the ratio 3:1? So this question is really very simple, but you need to know how you can approach for such kind of problems. Okay, so first of all, there is a person who begins a business with 85,000, the amount of A, that is 85,000, and he infusing their money for 1 year, because at the end of 1 year the profit divided in the ratio, that is 3:1. That means A began their business and up to the end, that means for the 12 months. Okay, and after some months B joined by 42,500 rupees, but we need to calculate how much time B was in business. Okay, that means B's amount, that is 42,500 for X months. Okay, and after some time, after 1 year, that's their profit was 3:1. Okay, so you need to calculate the value of X, and X will be the months of B. Okay, so if you are finding X, that means you are calculating the time duration of B. See, 20, it will be cancelled out here, so 12 into 850. okay, so it will be equals to, friends, 850 into 12 into 1, it will be equal to 425 into X into 3. okay, so X will be equal to 850 into 12 into 1, and it will be divided by the 425 into 3. So 3 4 times it will be, and divide by 5, so it will be 5 8 times, and 25 5 5 the 25, so it will be 170. okay, so again we can divide, it will be 17 5s 85 and 7 10s. okay, so it will be basically 10 into 4, it will be 40, and divide by 5, then the value of X, that is 8 months. That means X has infused their money for 8 months. okay, so that is the basic solution for this problem. Now let's move for the problem number 2. A start a business with rupees 3,500, and after 5 months B joined him as his partner. okay, after a year the profit is divided in the ratio, that is 2:3. then you need to calculate the B's contribution in the capital. So guys, this question is really very simple as per the previous pattern. So how you will approach for such kind of problems? See, A start a business with rupees 3,500, that means A started business with 3,500 and up to the end, that means 12 months, because there is written like after a year, that means after 1 year the profit was divided in the ratio, that is 2:3. that means A was in business for all the months, that means 12 months, and after that B joined him as a partner after 5 months. After 5 months, that means A will be in the business for 7 months, okay, with the capital, that means B infused capital, that is X, okay, the capital of B, that is X, and their profit at the end of year, that is 2:3. So you need to calculate the value of X, and here X will be the contribution of B. X will be B's capital, okay. See, 2 into you can divide directly 7 5 times, it will be 500. 12 into 5, okay, so you can again calculate this one 6 times. 6 into 500, it will be equal to 300 into 3, it will be 900. so the capital of X, that is 900. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, अगर क्वेश्चन हमारा आता है कि ए ने कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया 3500 रुपये के साथ और 5 महीने के बाद में बी उस बिज़नेस को ज्वाइन करता है एज अ पार्टनर, तो आपको बताना है कि 1 साल के बाद में अगर 2:3 अनुपात में उनको प्रॉफिट मिलता है तो बी का कंट्रीब्यूशन बताना है। सपोज करिए 3500 रुपये के साथ ए बिज़नेस स्टार्ट किया, 1 साल तक लगाया, तो 12 महीने के लिए लगाया, 3500 इंटू 12। अब बी का नंबर आता है, बी ने ज्वाइन किया एज अ पार्टनर केवल 5 महीने के बाद में, तो 1 साल में अगर 12 महीने होते हैं, 5 महीने के बाद बी आ रहा है, तो दैट मीन्स बी 7 महीने के लिए अपना मनी वहाँ पर लगा रहा है। बी की कैपिटल आपको नहीं बताया, तो कैपिटल हमने एक्स मान ली कि उसने एक्स रुपये 7 महीने तक लगाए, और एट द एंड ऑफ द 2:3 में उसको प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है। तो यहाँ से हमने एक्स की वैल्यू निकाली, ये हमारा 9000 रुपीज़ आ गया। तो इतना अमाउंट उसने इन्वेस्ट किया था। नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3। सी, 3 partners shared the profit in a business in the ratio that is 5:7:8. They had partnered for 14 months, 8 months and 7 months respectively. Then what was the ratio of their investment? Okay, so this is the basic problem. So how you will solve this one? See, the solution will be one thing more guys, I would like to inform you, that is income into time, that is your profit. Suppose you have X rupees for by times, okay, that means it will be your profit, okay. So this is the basic funda to calculating the profit. So you will follow this formula, so keep write down this one. This formula will help you for solving such kind of problems. So 3 partners shared a profit in a business that is 5:7. So profit was in ratio that is 5:7:8. Okay, they had partners for 14 months, 8 months and 7 months. That means time, that is 14 months, and this will be 8 months and 7 months. Okay, and you need to calculate the investment. You need to calculate the ratio of investment. See, if I into T is equal to P, that means investment I will be equal to P divided by T. Okay, this is your second originating formula from the previous one. So investment will be 5 divided by 14 and 7 divided by 8 and 8 divided by 7. So you need to solve this fraction. So that means you have to take the LCM of denominator, and the LCM of denominator, it will be 56. Okay, so 14 4 times, it will be 56. Okay, and 4 into 5, it will be 20, and 8 7 times 56, 7 into 7, that is 49, and 7 8 times 8 into 8, that is 64. So the investment ratio will be 20:49:64. That is your answer. Okay, so the investment ratio was 20:49:64. So this was the another type of partnership problems. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, अगर A B C 3 पर्सन है, उन्होंने एक पार्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए अपना अमाउंट लगाया हुआ है। तो देखिए इन्वेस्टमेंट और टाइम अगर इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो आपको प्रॉफिट मिल जाता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर आपको प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है इस रेशियो में, टाइम दिया हुआ है इस रेशियो में। अब आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट निकालना है, तो यहाँ से आप इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर निकालते हैं तो कितना आएगा, प्रॉफिट डिवाइड बाई टाइम। तो प्रॉफिट का रेशियो 5 है, टाइम का रेशियो 14 है, तो 5 को अगर 14 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये लिख दिया यहाँ पर। इसी तरीके से 7 डिवाइड बाई 8, 8 डिवाइड बाई 7। अब देखिए इस फ्रैक्शन को, अगर मुझे इस फ्रैक्शन रेशियो को सॉल्व करना है तो आप डिनोमिनेटर जो है उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है। तो 14 से अगर 56 को डिवाइड करा तो कितना आया, 4 टाइम्स आया। तो 4 और 5 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन करी कितना आया, 20। ऐसे ही 8 से डिवाइड करा 7 बार जाएगा, 7 इंटू 7 49 होगा। फिर 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे 8 बार जाएगा, 8 इंटू 8 64 होगा। तो इन्वेस्टमेंट का रेशियो कितना आया, 20:49:64। Okay, basically friends, I am solving this question in bilingual formats. Those students who belongs to north and south regions and they are preparing all the aptitudes exams in English section, that's why I am decoding this lecture in English. Okay, and those who are from some Hindi backgrounds, and they can understand this problem in Hindi also. Now let's solve the problem number 4. See, in the 4, A and B invest a business in the ratio 3:2. Okay, if 5% of the total profit goes to the charity and A share is 855 rupees, then the total profit is. This question is really very important for the SSC exams. So guys, this question was SSC CGL 2013 prelims exams. Okay, that was the 2013 prelims exams question. So how you will approach for such kind of problem? See, suppose total profit was 100%. Okay, everything that was in the first prima facie phase, that is 100%. Okay, that means suppose total profit that is 100%, and 5% of the total profit goes to the charity. That means in 100% we have given 5% profit to the charity. That means remaining percentage, that is 95%. 95% is the remaining profit. Okay, and guys, A and B invest in a business in the ratio 3:2. So they will distribute the profit in the ratio 3:2. Okay, A and B, that means it will be 3x, it will be 2x. Okay, so we can say 3x plus 2x, it will be 5x, it will be equal to the total profit, that is 95%. So x, it will be 19%. Okay, so the value of x, so 3x, 3 into 19, it will be 57%, and 2x, 2 into 19, it will be 38%. Okay, so you need to calculate then the total profit is, you need to calculate the total profit. Was one thing more, the share of A is given, that is 855. That means 57%, the share of A, it that is equal to 855. So you can calculate 1% here. So 1%, it will be 85 divided by 57. Okay, so it will be exactly 15 times. Okay, when you will divide 855 divided by 57, then you will get 15. So 1%, that is 15%. So 100%, it will be 1500. Okay, so you need to calculate the total profit. So see friends, total profit was 100%, that means 100% value, that is 1500. This is your answer right now. Okay, I hope you understand and the flow of this question. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, अगर ए और बी ने किसी बिजनेस में 3:2 में कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है और 5% जो है उन्होंने चैरिटी में दे दिया, तो अगर उनके पास 100% अमाउंट था और उसमें से उन्होंने 5% दे दिया, तो उनके पास कितना बचा, 95% बचा। अब इस 95% को वो 3:2 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, तो ये 3:2, दैट मीन्स 3x एंड 2x हो गया। तो देखिए, अगर मुझे ये एग्जैक्ट इनका शेयर निकालना है तो आप इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो, 3x प्लस 2x ये 5x हो गया। अब टोटल शेयर किसके बराबर है, 95% के बराबर है, तो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, 19 आ गई। अब यहाँ पर यूनिट निकालना है तो 19 इंटू एक्स दैट इज़ 57 एंड 2 इंटू 19 दैट इज़ 38%। क्वेश्चन में एक चीज़ दिया हुआ है, ए का शेयर 855 रुपये है, तो ए का परसेंटेज कितना है, 57% है। 57% का वैल्यू कितना दिया हुआ है, 855। 1% का वैल्यू निकालेंगे 855 डिवाइड बाई 57। अगर इससे डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितने बार आएगा, 15 बार जाएगा। 1% 15 है तो 100% कितना होगा, 1500 हो जाएगा। यहाँ हमें निकालना क्या है, टोटल प्रॉफिट निकालना है। टोटल प्रॉफिट कितना दिया हुआ है, 100%। दैट मीन्स आंसर विल बी 1500। I hope you also understand this problem. Now let's move for the problem number 5, that is here. So this is another type problem, friends, and I'll tell you the basic approach, the best feasible solution for this problem. Okay, see, A, B and C subscribe rupees 50,000 for a business. Okay, A, B and C, these are the three person and they are contributing rupees 50,000 to establish a business. A subscribe rupees 4,000 more than B and B subscribe rupees 5,000 more than C. Guys, that is 5,000 not 50,000. Okay, so remove 1 0 from here, 5,000. Okay, so B subscribe rupees 5,000 more than C and out of a total profit rupees 35,000. So you need to calculate how much amount received by A. See, first suppose the amount of C, that was the X. Okay, so we will take the amount of X, that is X, and the amount of B, that is 5,000 more than C. Here is clearly written B subscribe rupees 5,000 more than C, that means X plus 5,000 rupees. Okay, and guys, in the same way E subscribe rupees 4,000 more than B amount, that means X plus 5,000 plus 4,000, it will be X plus 9,000 because 4,000 more than C. So guys, total they are contributing, that is 50,000 rupees. That means if we calculate the value of A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, so it will be equal to X, it will be 3X plus 9 plus 5, it will be 14,000 rupees, and this all amount will be equal to the 50,000 rupees. Okay, so X will be equal to the 12,000 rupees. Okay, that means the amount of C, it will be 12,000 rupees, okay, and the amount of B, it will be 12 plus 5,000, it will be 17,000 rupees, and the amount of A, it will be 12 plus 9, it will be 21,000 rupees. Okay, see, their profit will be in the ratio A is to B is to C. That means A, that is 21,000, 17,000 and 12,000. If you are taking the ratio, then you can cancel out the 30 because 30 here, 30 also here, 30 also here. So their profit also in the ratio 21 is to 17 is to 12. Okay, and guys, they are out of the total profit, that is 35,000. Okay, so total profit was how much, that is 35,000. Okay, so you need to calculate the A's received, A's share. So A's share, that will be equal to 21 divided by 21 plus 17 plus 12. Okay, so it will be equal to the 50 and multiply with 3500, so it will be 700. So 700 into 21, I am writing here this one, so it will be 1470 0 0. So this is the share of B, that is your answer. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन, द फ्लो ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, अगर 3 लोग हैं ए, बी और सी, उन्होंने एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है 50,000 रुपये से, लेकिन आपको ये नहीं पता है कि ए ने, बी ने, सी ने कितना कितना अमाउंट लगाया, लेकिन ये पता है कि तीनों ने मिलके 50,000 रुपये लगाया. तो देखिए क्वेश्चन पजल की फॉर्म में है. ए देता है 4,000 रुपये मोर देन बी से, और बी 5,000 रुपये सी से, और आपको ये बताना है कि ए ने कितना किया. तो सपोज हमने मान लिया सी को x रुपीज़ से सी ने स्टार्ट किया बिजनेस, बी 5,000 रुपये ज़्यादा है सी से, दैट मीन्स x प्लस 5,000 दैट इज इक्वल टू बी. ये बी के बराबर हो जाएगा. ए का अमाउंट होगा 4,000 रुपये ज़्यादा है बी के अमाउंट से, तो x प्लस 5,000 है, इसमें आप 4,000 ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा, x प्लस 9,000, x प्लस 9,000. अब ये तीनों की वैल्यू कितनी है, 50,000, तो मैंने तीनों को ऐड कर दिया, x x x 3 जगह है, 3x हो गया. 9,000 प्लस 5,000 ये 14,000 हुआ, ये बराबर 50,000 के है. यहाँ से हम x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, कितना आएगा, 12,000. ओके. अब हमें क्या करना है, इस x को यहाँ पुट कर दिया. c की वैल्यू x थी, दैट मीन्स c की वैल्यू 12,000 हो गई. b की वैल्यू कितनी थी, 5,000 प्लस x, दैट मीन्स 5,000 प्लस 12,000 17,000. a का अमाउंट 21,000 हो गया. अब देखिए तीनों में 3 जीरो लास्ट में, 3 जीरो आप काट दो. अगर मुझे इनको रेशियो में कन्वर्ट करना है, ए रेशियो बी रेशियो सी में, तो 21 रेशियो 17 रेशियो 12 दिया हुआ है. टोटल प्रॉफिट जो है वो अर्न होता है 35,000 रुपये का. तो देखिए 21% जो है वो कितना है, ये 21 रेशियो है, 17 रेशियो 22 रेशियो. ए का शेयर हमें निकालना है कि ए ने कितना अमाउंट रिसीव किया. तो 21 डिवाइड बाई टोटल आप जोड़ लो, ये 50 आएगा. 21 बाई 50 इंटू 35,000. तो 50 से अगर इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, ये 7 बार जाएगा, 2 जीरो एज इट इज़. 700 इंटू 21 ये कितना हो जाएगा, 14,700. ओके. सो आपको ये क्वेश्चन जरूर समझ में आया होगा. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. This is friends another type of problem, most important this one. Basically you need to understand basically the concept. Okay, the question can be tougher as much as the examiner can. Okay, but you know the basics, then you can solve anything here. Okay, so I'll give you the basic approach to solve such kind of problems here. Okay, see, E and B entered into a business with a capital in the ratio that is 4:5. After 3 months, A withdraw 1/4 of his capital and B withdraw 1/5 of his capital. The gain at the end of 10 months was rupees 760. So you need to calculate what the amount of A is as a profit. Okay, that means business runs for the 10 months. So guys, one thing I would like to inform you, first of all you have to read the question very carefully. Okay, each and every line very carefully and write down here. These are the basically two person, A and B. Okay, so their ratio that is in 4:5. Okay, that means we can take 4x as a 5x. After 3 months, A withdraw 1/4 of his capital. After 3 months, A withdraw 1/4 of his capital. That means the A's capital that is 4, and he withdraw 1/4. That means if you are calculating the 1/4 of 4, it will be 1. Okay, so A withdraw 1, that means remaining part that is 3. Okay, so we can say like this, this amount will be there for the 3 months, and after that A withdraw their capital. Okay, and the remaining capital will be for the remaining months, that is 3 months here, and 10 months is the overall time. That means 7 months are remaining. So we can say like this, 3x remaining amount, it will be for the 7 months. Okay, this ratio will be here. Okay, in the same way, B withdraw 1/5 of his capital. B's capital that is 5x, so 5x will be 3 months and after that b withdraw 1 by 5th. So 5x of 1 by 5th, it will be 1 unit will be deducted from the 5, and the remaining unit it will be 4x. So 4x will be for the 7 months. Okay, so 4x into 3 it will be 12x, plus 3 into 7 it will be 21x ratio. 5 into 3 it will be 15x, plus 4 into 7 it will be 28x. So 12 plus 21 it will be 33x, is to 15 plus 28 it will be 43x. So you can calculate x because this is a constant value on both the sides. So the ratio will be 33 is to 43. So A and B infuse the amount in 33 is to 43. The gain at the end of 10 months. Okay, so you need to calculate the gain here. So let me rub this board on the side for you. Just a minute, friends. See, total profit, that is 760. Okay, you need to calculate the share of A. So age share, it will be equal to, and the ratio of A, that is 33 divided by 33 plus 43, it will be 76, into total profit, that is 760. So it will be divided by 10 times. So 10 into 30 it will be 330. So this is the amount of E. Okay, so this is the basic approach to solve such kind of problems. Okay friends, I hope you understand this problem and do practice as much as you can. I'll recommend you to solve the previous year's papers. The only way that you can judge yourself by solving the previous year papers. Without these all the 6 or 12 questions, then you can do nothing. Practice makes more and more perfect. That's why I'm telling you to do practice as much as you can. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, अगर ए और बी दो बंदे हैं, उन्होंने एक कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है 4:5 के रेशियो में, तो देखिए ए और बी ने 4x और 5x के अमाउंट में रेशियो लगा दिया, इस रेशियो में अमाउंट लगा दिया। अब 3 महीने के बाद में ए ने अपना 1/4 हिस्सा निकाल लिया, तो टोटल हिस्सा था 4 और उसका 1/4 निकाल लिया, तो 4 का अगर 1/4 निकालेंगे तो एक हिस्सा निकाल लिया। देखिए, तो 3 महीने तक तो उसने कुछ नहीं निकाला, तो 4x इंटू 3 ये हमने एज इट इज़ लिख दिया, प्लस उसने एक हिस्सा निकाल लिया, तो कितने हिस्से बचे? 3 हिस्से बचे। अब वो 10 महीने तक अगर बिजनेस चलाया तो 3 महीने तक लगाया, उसके बाद फिर बचे हुए 7 महीने होंगे, तो 7 महीने 3 हिस्सा लगा। सेम पैटर्न हमने यहाँ पर 5x इंटू 3 करा, क्योंकि 3 महीने तक उसने 5x को लगा रखा, फिर 1/5 निकाल लिया 5x का, तो 4x बचा, 4x 7 महीने तक चलेगा। इस कैलकुलेशन को सॉल्व किया, यहाँ से हमने 33:43 निकाल दिया, ए और बी का रेशियो। अब हमें क्या करना है, प्रॉफिट हमारा 760 था, ए का शेयर आपको निकालना है 33 डिवाइडेड बाई 76, इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो, इनटू टोटल प्रॉफिट दैट इज 760, 33 और 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करी 330 आया, ये आपका ए का शेयर प्रॉफिट हो गया। तो मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा। अगर फिर भी आपकी कोई क्यूरीज हैं तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में करिए, और टीम विल डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई टू यू। एंड गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। I hope you understand. Wish you all the best for your exams. And guys, do like this video, comment, and please share this video, because learning is priceless and we are giving a platform for all the poor students who can't afford the coaching classes. And guys, if you can download this video and provide to all the students, they don't have the internet connection, this way they will be directly benefited. It will be a great and superb help from your side. That is my message to all the viewers of this community. मैं आप लोगों से एक मैसेज ये करना चाहूँगा कि जो लोग जिनके पास में इंटरनेट कनेक्शंस नहीं है, आप उन लोगों को ये वीडियोस डाउनलोड करके दे सकते हैं, और वो लोग अपने मोबाइल्स में या अपने लैपटॉप डेस्कटॉप में कहीं पर भी देख सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक्स गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट। सब्सक्राइब चैनल को ज़रूर करिएगा, क्योंकि सब्सक्राइब करने से क्या होगा, जो भी नई वीडियो अपलोड होगी वो आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी। और अगर आपकी कोई क्यूरी है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिएगा, हमारी टीम डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई करेगी। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।